In today's video, I'm going to be showing my secret strategy to making high converting TikTok ads and Facebook ads. This strategy has led my Shopify dropshipping businesses to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So first step is your recording. You want to go off of trends first. A good way to do this is just scroll through your TikTok app and you'll find trends. Let me show a simple example. If I open up TikTok, then I'll see a couple of viral audios. A good one is these POV videos with these certain audios. And basically you could do a POV with your brand. So let's say POV when he smells good, and then you have like a cologne brand, then you can easily interrogate that into your video. What this will do is make sure the viewer doesn't swipe away, because when you are watching videos and you see an ad, your first instinct is to swipe away because you just don't care. But if it's a funny video ad and you don't even realize it at first, you're much more likely to stick around, maybe even watch the whole video ad and then even purchase it. Well, if you see a different ad about the brand, then you'll want to purchase it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to edit a simple video, and this is a key moment to your ads. So first off, you're going to want to download CapCut. You guys can use my link down below. Guys, for the example, I'm just going to be recording a TikTok ad real quick. Alright guys, so I recorded the ad and now I'm just gonna bring over the footage to my computer and show you guys how to edit. Alright, so we have CapCut open, and basically I dragged both of the footage on there, and I'm gonna go over to text, then I'm gonna go to add text, and you can use trending or presets and just use the default font. After you drag it on there, you're just gonna open up the text thing, drag it onto your little dash, and just put whatever you want. So make sure it's a trend like I said. For this, POV, you're not attractive. You just turn on stroke, and right here you already have the perfect audio. Cut it down, and then right as it transitions to this, you can kind of see how like my face is like boom, and then you just press Ctrl C on the text, Ctrl V, it'll paste it. Then you press the text again, and now you're just gonna delete what you had. Now you force them with, and then your brand name. So I'm just gonna put, you know, brand name knife. So basically they're gonna see this, they're gonna kind of relate to it if they're just like some normal dude. POV, you're not attractive enough to it. And then now you force them with brand name knife. So obviously it's controversial, but it is a joke and it's not going too far. Now if you don't want to show your face, you could just do it with like, you know, normal, like maybe a Giga Chad, and then it goes to like SpongeBob or something. Just a transition, and that's an easy trend that has been around for so long. So before we set up the ads on Facebook and TikTok, I want to tell you guys about viral ecom ads. Basically that whole process I just went through with editing, you can make it so you don't have to do any of that. And you can do that for such a cheap price by using my affiliate link down below. Basically what viral ecom ads is an agency that actually edits videos for your dropshipping product based off of current trends. Right now they have this little VIP member program going on, and basically each video ad only costs $10 compared to their normal $40. So make sure you use the affiliate link down below and check them out. So with that out of the way, let me show you guys how to actually set up ads on Facebook and TikTok so that you guys can start to get hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Alright, so I'll just have you guys follow me and what I do. TikTok ads. Alright guys, so when you have the TikTok ad manager, you're gonna wanna come over to here, press custom columns. Now basically what this is gonna do is show you guys the best statistics of your ads, just so you don't waste time in the future and you know which ads are working and which ones aren't. And if you hover over any of these, it'll tell you what they mean, but the first one you wanna press is CPM and impressions. Then you're gonna wanna press cost per 1,000 people reached. Then you're gonna wanna press CTR. Then you can also do cost per result, so basically how much it costs for you to get a sale. And you can add anything else you want, but those are the best ones I'd recommend. Now the second one you're gonna wanna do is video views at 50%. Basically what percentage of people have watched up to 50%. Press add to cart total and purchases total. Now you're gonna press confirm, and as you can see, it will just show those statistics right here. So let's get on to creating the ad. You'll press create. From this little area right here, you're gonna look at what all of them do and select what works best for you. I would probably say product sales, so I would just press that and press continue. Then you're gonna press catalog, which is basically your own video ads. You can also do TikTok shop once you have your own product and you wanna launch it. This is a great way to advertise for free, but that's for a different video. Now for the campaign name, you can just do whatever, or if you want to have, you know, different areas or different categories, then you can obviously do that. For example, let's say you have girl videos and then boy videos, well, you can have that here. Alright, so now you're going to add your pixel. Basically, it's super easy to add, and also it'll tell you how to add it through Shopify. For the placement, you're going to want to press select placement. Get rid of this pangle thing. Basically, you're gonna let TikTok do whatever you want if you're on a low budget. Obviously, you can become more targeted. I honestly think TikTok is great at kind of using its AI to advertise for you. Now, whatever age range you want, just don't do 13 to 17 because these people probably don't have money and won't buy your product. And you could do all of these ages right here. That's what I usually do. Now, obviously, the language you'd want to do English, but you can leave it as all because TikTok will actually be able to realize who knows how to speak the language you're speaking in your video. Therefore, it doesn't really matter. Now, the lowest thing you can do on TikTok is $20. And no, this does not mean it'll spend all $20, but usually it will. And it'll actually spread this $20 across all the videos that you add right here. I forgot to add this, but for select event, you want to obviously do complete payment. Now let's go over to ad. Now let's go add the videos and I'm gonna show you guys what to actually do. So for the ad name, you can do ad 1, ad 2, ad 3. So you could just do this, ad name, ad 1. And then over here, you'll just press add if you want to add more. Now for your identity, make sure it is similar to your video ad. So for this example, I wouldn't use tongue scraper, obviously. I would do create new custom and I'd do like, you know, brand name and then just knife. And then for the image, obviously add an image. Don't just make it that, but make an image of like some random girl or maybe, you know, somebody famous. This may actually make people also comment. And this builds even more trust with the buyer as well because they know the person, but it's not actually them, but they feel like it is. So you know what I mean. Now over here, you're gonna wanna do catalog videos. So basically, I recommend adding 3 to 5 videos and add your own text. So each description or bio, you can also split test them. But usually I'd recommend just, you know, having a very basic bio or no bio at all. And then for the website URL, obviously you'll add your website. And then over here, you'll press shop now, or you can also scroll down and they have order now, which I do like, or visit store. They have these other versions that also work as well. And the rest is just stuff to track your orders. But that's it. Make sure you guys watch this video of actually me trying to dropship with these strategies that I showed you today.